Webafethu ubani umuntu waqamba amanga wathi i-hip hop ifile bafethu saphethe abafana nabo Kwesta uyayibona into leyo kumama ujila abafethu abantu abayazi into abayenzayo uyayibona into leyo yazi la emalangeni lana nje ngingabukela lapho uPista laphana interview akho Kwesta laphana ubuya wathi mashine ne freestyle wavela ngikhumbuza kudala ngesikhathi lesamameleke ama OG angempela oKwesta abafana obodaka yayibona into leyo hayi le hip hop yamanje angigxingi ngendlela embi but ayinayo i-depth bakhona abantswembu but ayina depth yangithola ayina sindo yayibona into leyo uthi make shaka zashaya ama goosebumps mamela only freestyle nje kaKwesta yayibona into leyo ngarealize ukuthi hayi cha hip hop ayifanga hip hop isabuya just ukuthi nje khona ukuthize kumele kulungiswe uyayibona into leyo ungawakho umuzi ube mkhulu mara makwambe iminyaka kumele renovate uyayibona into leyo and more renovate angeke kube lula uyayibona into leyo especially if uyeke la ndle ahlala isikhathi eside inga renovate wanga mase uyi renovate kumele uqale ku plumbing ubuye ku ceiling ubuye ku floor ubuye outside ubuye kuma window ubuye eminyango yonke lonto leyo so I'm making an example about indlu because wonke umuntu azo understand what I'm saying because abanye benithi hip hop ifeel hip hop ayifanga just ukuthi hip hop medlula nje kwi phase yayo ye renovation uyayibona lonto leyo alithanda lingathandi bafethu hip hop yabuye and ibuya ngenyuziga nge-new wave uyayibona into leyo and I love the fact ukuthi ubuyela ibeat lase States hayi la Mzansi uyayibona into leyo so abanye amagama zabithina bafethu musana ukujudge into engayiboni nina yangithola I love into akayenza u-speech therapy bafethu uza nomyushuni uza nomyolayini uyayibona lonto leyo and i-revive kanjena into indlela abayi-revive ngaya-reviveka manje iyabuya kancane and ngiyayithanda into revive because mase ibuye more powerful than before yangithola bengicela imameleni bafethu this freestyle ningitsheleni ukuthi hip hop ifile na or what ayase
I used to be damn fly. Even made day songs just to land mine. I blew up, I'm telling Gamla that the landmine. And I'll probably get a call about that landline. And just like that, EFF knows I'm with Julius, fundwa ngam namakhuzwam. Zange ndifundi incwadi ngoba isikasi that schooled us. Noma ungashot, to throw shot, they groomed us. So vele technique. Into engapheli I'm him in the flesh ngipene balivangeli ngesithi rapping kodwa ka trendy well you tapped in long range le umbekezeli thatha shut up or start making songs ngiyathanda ukutype ama threads awami ya Taylor Don bushi 6x9 igenre sibheka isikhokho bocisha tweet uzozwa who they all based it on.
Keep it going.
You want us to keep it going?
We don't get the presence of greatness every day. So while I have you here, I might as well take advantage.
Yo, shout out to Peter Hart who was out here. Check out his single. Check out 6x9 while you're at it.
Yeah. Let's switch it up a little bit.
Okay. No more handouts, no more giving dabs out. I'm on stage and I put the whole band out, watching all these people pretending to fan out. Cause nobody wants beef with the cash cow. Big time, yeah, we big time. Gig guide, maunga keep malang and jive. I don't give a I nix and shy 6'9". Big guy, the whole thing mine. Man, everything is man-made. I'm a man-made by a mam's maid, aka my dad's main bae. Now